Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is the second time of me recording this video because in the first one audio was like echoing a lot, and I was hoping to fix that issue before start recording, but it happened again, so I'll just record again the whole thing because the voice was like terrible. As you can see, I already wrote and explained everything, so I'll just go over again. I don't want to write the whole thing once more. So one thing to mention, I have a new extension installed in my Visual Studio Code editor. It is HTML boilerplate. I'll just cut, and if you want, after you install this, if you do HTML and tab, it's gonna fill out the basic boilerplate for you, and you can get rid of these things, these commented sections here. And once you do that, just import your index.js file and you are good to go. We have index.js here, and you just need to press go live here in this section, and it's gonna open up this whole project in the browser for you. So today's topic is, as you can see from the title of the video, it's gonna be about for loops in JavaScript, and there are three different ways to write the for loops. One of them is like traditional for loop. Basically what you do here is like let I equal 0 I, and DOM shopping list is our array that we are looping through. It has a few objects which have like item, price, and kilogram fields, and we are looping through the length after length of that array, and we are incrementing by 1 in each step, and we are with the I, since the I is the index, we are able to access the DOM shopping list, our item, the arrays, the ith object, and depending on that, we can console log. Either item, either price. As you can see, this is changed here. This for rows. I can say item again, and it changed again. You can access objects like this in the traditional for loop, and there's another way, basically the same thing, but it just dynamically gets the length of the array that we are looping through. And what you write here is let I in DOM shopping list, and I again is the index here, and you can basically again access each separate object by step in every step, and access the fields according to your needs, and console log or do the business logic accordingly. And there's another way, or like a case, when you can use for in loop, which is objects, like just one single object, and in that case the for loop is basically what it does is loops through each key, access each key, and gives you the key of that object that you are looping through. So we console logging here the key, and we can access the value of the key by using bracket notation. And once you say object and square brackets and key, it dynamically access the value of that key in every step. As you can probably tell, the key is changing, right? Because it's index. Once the index change, you can programmatically, automatically access the value in that step on that specific field's value. And finally, we have the for of loop here. For of, what it does is it gives you the whole item in that array. For example, I have a string array here which contains my names basically. In a string array, you just get the string, basically pretty straightforward. But if you try to use it with an array of objects, and if I save this, as you can see, I got the whole object itself, not like an index of or a field, nothing like that. It just gives you the whole object. And from here I can do validate item, and I can access the item itself, specific field, according to my needs. So this for off is much likely something you didn't hear before. I hope that this is something new for you and you learned something from this video. And today I want to mention these 3 ways to using for loop. Please share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment. How can I, improve my videos? What kind of subjects, videos, topics would you like to see in the next videos? 2 or 3 more videos. It's gonna be something similar to this, JavaScript basics, and then we will go on and continue with React and React Native videos. And yeah, thank you for watching and take care.